So I ordered a 3D printer, the Creality Ender 3. It's supposed to be like the really good basic beginner printer. So
stand there, don't move. We'll be back to get you later. And what made you decide to get a 3D printer?
I used to want one really bad, but then I just kind of forgot about it, and then I remembered, and so I bought it. Wow.
Oh, wow, that's bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Fun.
Oh my.
Yeah. I need to go on the floor and lay everything out. Well, here's the screen where you do everything.
The screen?
Yeah, like the screen where you scroll through the settings and stuff.
Oh, the settings, okay.
Okay. Here's like the rails that go on the side to do things.
So you're gonna have to put this thing together.
Okay, so this is the extruder nozzle where the filament actually comes out. This is the build plate. I don't want to break that. Okay, this is like this is what actually moves it on the rail. And then this is like the filament, what takes the filament and feeds it into the extruder. This is the power supply, which is what gives it power. If you didn't get that from the name.
Oh my.
Oh. Okay, here's the cable. This is the, we can leave that in there, but this is for holding the filament, spool, is that right? This is to scrape things off the build plate. This is, I think this might be the vertical thing that moves.
Vertical thing that moves the thing? Wow, you really know these official names, huh?
Uh-huh. More rails. This
looks like
is a
filament,
rail,
yeah.
a rail slider. This is what like slides on it. And a bunch of parts.
Oh wow.
Some filament. Oh, nice.
They came with some filament?
A very little bit. I'm excited about that. That's good.
What's
it comes
this?
with a flash drive and a flash drive.
Oh. And you didn't order white filament, did you? Or did you? You ordered blue and black.
Blue and black.
So
It just
cool.
came with a little bit, I guess.
You got a little bit of white filament.
That's
And
it.
how long did it take for this to arrive?
5 days?
Okay.
4 days? I don't remember.
Wow, and the directions are even in color. Impressive.
Fancy.
So look, would they have official names instead of you saying the thing that attaches to the thing?
I know a lot of the names.
Okay, it's been about 30 minutes of you putting this thing together.
It's already been 30 minutes.
Just about. So, how's it going?
It's going.
Any problems?
Mm-mm.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I got it printing. It's printing a dog right now. That's just what it comes with.
Okay, what is it printing?
Fancy.
And I thought that you did this on a computer thing, like a computer program.
It comes with a couple things.
Oh, so this is just something.
Like a test print. Just see how it's going.
Test print. Okay. So this is an hour and 15 minutes worth of stuff. I really hope he has enough filament to finish it. Oh my gosh. You can't see the little tail. Like you can't even see the stuff coming out. So it's been 2 hours, 13 minutes. It's 74% done. Can you tell what it is? Comment below now. But here's the scary thing. Oh no, I don't think it's going to be enough. So this is all that's left. Like it's gone from up here. Oh no. And it's only 96% done. Uh-oh. Okay, you gotta turn it off. It is complete. And guess what, guys? It actually has a tad bit left. Does it just melt like on there? Don't break him. Maybe you should, oh, you should take the putty knife they gave you. Silly. So this is just the what?
That's the raft. So that just keeps it level and
so it prints this first.
Yeah, and attached to the bed.
And so it has, oh my gosh, it is so smooth. It is so incredibly smooth. It's so adorable. What are your thoughts on your 3D printer?
Cool.
Is it what you were expecting?
Yeah.
And what do you plan on making?
Whatever I want.
And there you have it, guys. Whatever he wants.